Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
I'm telling you, the blood clot like you ain't tell you. When I want to put a child, leave the light on though. When I want to blood clot, it's not fighting me now, brother. Yo, brother, I'm going to tell you this bomb buckler here. I want bomb buckler need you to play now, yes sir. I can't tell you. Because one is a blood clot violent now. How the bomb buckler done? Yes, again. I am going to play the whole bomb buckler night. And no man of us gonna pussy that money. And that man blood clot on me, yeah? You want to battle bomb buckler boy. Yo, brother, listen. Every man move that bomb buckler brother. Listen. Every man move. I'm gonna give a pussy that to want it. What? And this is for the wicked. And that man blood clot on you. Yo, security. Yeah, every blood clot on back at this one. Everybody know I'm move. Brother, hey! Brother, Mr. Every man know. I can't say I don't know what blood clot you also. How the bomb clot done? We're not fighting a blood clot now, so they must spend a night in this bomb clot. I want to tell you, man, you know thousands of blood clots for me, man. Yes, again, tell me about the thing. Brother, Mr. Every man move around the sun. I'm a dead blood clot serious. Brother, gas again, you know on the sun. That man blood clot. Brother. I'm the bomb box, I'm not again. I'm telling you, brother, I'm not giving blood clot on them. I'm not busting for the blood clot, I'm not telling them. I'm the pussy clot down. Somebody look back here. Me no want no man run the blood clot sound. I'm not there bomb, I want to. Brother. Move on the song. Yo, brother, I say clear on the song. I will not move from yes, I want to tell you, man. Is there a joke blood clot is this? Yes, again, turn on the song. I people zero blood clot on it. And don't boss bomb buckle and dance. And no boy can rise up maybe in the blood clot self. Pussy clot there. Turn on the song. Yes, okay, that place straight big girl there. I'm not telling you, I'm not smoking at all. I'm not tired. The blood clot down, man. We'll never spend a dollar on a dance and all that fight. I want to, we'll not spend a pound on it. Yes, okay, take turn on. Plug in the thing. Brother, everybody move from around the sun.
This man right here some more than hurt. Not just for the fact that him a keep the party, cause you can hear him say you have thousands of dollars in spend. But you can see say that the selector them not too long fight round the turntable. Right? When it's a turntable that is the selecting booth. You see me? The music station, whatsoever you call it. You see me? These selectors, you know, because this is something we see happening in the music business. It's like no unity in there again. Everybody is in a big competition. Everybody wants to be the man. And when them not have the ability to have the skill nor the ability to be the man, them want to be the man. Even if they can't. Man, you have man who can't read and write properly and want to be the biggest selector. You see me? Me not understand how that go work. Because you just cannot read and write. You have man with stammer and stutter and want to be one of the biggest microphone person. How that go work out? And yet still, when him come a dance, him will interruption with you because him want him turn for play no man. And them look sitting there now. It's like this is the biggest thing again. You go in a community, right? More selector and DJ in that community than tradesman. Right? More selector, more DJ than any tradesman or skill worker. You see it? More than 3/4 of them now have the full talent, you know. You see me? Me not try to put down nobody because believe me, you have some youth them bad with the music when they do their music, whether want to be selector or DJ. You see it? Them good. When I say bad mean good. You know me. But You go in our community, more than 3/4 of them don't have the real raw talent, but yet still them a DJ and them a selector. Take a money, buy a laptop, download a virtual DJ, boom, me a selector, and that's it. Then go and dance, everybody turn up so. And you can't tell them say they not sound good. You can't tell them say they not do the thing good. You see, if you tell them that, them vex with you. And at the same time, it not make no money. See me? Selectors out there, you have selectors out there a play for all the whole week. See me? And for the whole week, them they even say all $10,000. How them mind them pick me with that? You tell me now. You see me? And look on the next thing again now. Selector go out, they go play and I call it go $2,000 and so forth. Because the thing just water down. And that's the next thing again. Too much. You see me? And the bag of competition and you know, it happen everywhere. It don't just happen in the music thing too. It happen even at the construction field too, because a man now go hire a professional tradesman knowing say him can go pay one backdoor deal tradesman who don't go school and can't read or write or whatsoever and them things, you see me? And just give him any money you feel like, you see me? And you know the thing about this, when we talk these things, some people might take it offensive and feel like say me I try to disrespect the fact that some people cannot read and write. It is not, and a for them fault. You see me I say, I don't really say a for them fault, but it is a part of reality and that really a go on, you see? Yeah, so as me say now, this man I really hurt over the situation of go on, and he might try to make it, set the thing orderly, where he might say, yo, uncle, one man I select for the night. And you can see the people then come for party because nobody now move. But the fact that them are fighting at the party, at that, I gonna mash up the man party. You see what I say? So, when this video hit on social media now, and people, I hear what go on right now, people start to say, yo, how the man there go and say, them a cuss up a bag, the man now cuss up no bag of bad word. The man a try to express how him feel towards the situation, you see it? Yeah man, you see me I say, yeah man. Anyways, selectors, DJs, wanna feel live good. You see me I say, wanna come together, wanna make the thing work, because really and truly, the music thing a water down. When I say it a water down, it a water down. Who have real talent, wanna push them forward and make them do the thing, man. You see me I say, if some man will not have the talent, wanna stop with the whole heap of envious feeling thing. You see me I say, because what you can do, that man can do. You see me? And that I really go on. Too much fight thing. You see it? Some man I use all their money and I push themselves up in the game and really and truly, in the long run, it still proves that they don't have the talent. That's just the money. You get me? So just stop with the whole heap of envy, stop with the whole heap of challenge, stop trying to take a spotlight and all these things, and stop trying to prove say you're better than the man there and all them something. You see me? Selectors and DJs, you see, because there's one thing we need to point out too. You notice how the whole posters thing go. When last I see a posters certain way. Like one in the last year, me see them say last year, coming down the last 5 years, the amount of posters me see. Dance and party like every day for the whole week. You see, since this year start, me notice it just take time and things just change. You see what I say to you? Why? When party I keep normally every ghetto you go, you see people buy 1,000. Now since of lately, if you now go to some exclusive mixtures or some chug it and them thing there, you now see 1,000 people in a party again. I'll be 50 and 100 and them sitting there. You see it? And then the whole heap of criminal activity. Yo, man, when I hear me, man, time for the unite and make the thing happen and make the fun happen back in this thing. You see it? If you notice, you know, me even talk with a tough voice like me a tough talk. I do them things there, you know. Talk to people simple. I mean, EVERYMAN, you know. You see it? Alright, well, I don't know the thing already, you see me? So, I'm going to go say these words I'm say to you. I'm going to go say just be some word of encouragement and it no disrespect nobody. You see me? Because some people might find it offensive with what I just say. You see? Alright? But anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button to stay up to date and see what I go on. Leave your comment and let me know what you think. And for updates, you must always read the comments to see updates for enough things will go on. You see me I say? Alright? Big up to my fans them throughout the whole world, you know. Trinidad, Tobago, St. Vincent, Bahamas, you name it, US. You see me? Africa, you see me, all even to the Afghanistan, that is how far my thing go. So I want to big up everyone. I hope so you understand my language. You see me I say? Anyways, my name is Skilla, and this way just see at the Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah me now. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.